Hello everyone, very good evening guys. I'm audible. Hello, hello, hello. Very good evening guys. Very good evening everyone. Please let me know guys, am I audible or not? Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening guys. Good evening. I'm audible now. Okay guys. Okay, okay, okay. Okay everyone. So it's our day 2, right? For front-end development using React Tailwind, right? So if I talk about our yesterday class, means our previous class. So in our previous class, guys, we have discussed how we can create a React project using white bundler. Also, we have integrated the Tailwind CSS portion, right? So that much we have completed, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. Guys, whatever the things are there regarding the offer letter and remaining those things, okay, we will talk about later after the class, okay? Separately, we will talk on them, okay? So here guys, so today basically we are going to learn about components, okay? We will create multiple components. We will try to add some styles on them, and also we will discuss about the concept of props, means how we can send some data from one component to another component, right? Means a parent component to its a child component. Can we revise once again? Okay, no issue guys, no issue. First of all, I will show you everything, okay? Then we will start today's topic. Okay, everyone. So let me know, guys. Should I start or not? Guys, please let me know. VS Code is visible or not, guys? Let me know. I think my VS Code is visible to all of you guys, right? No offer later. Okay, just wait. Keep patience. Okay, after the class, we will discuss about it. But for now, please focus on the class, guys. Okay, please focus on it. Haha, let's rock. Let's rock. Okay, guys. Okay, I think my VS Code is visible. So in our previous class, we have discussed about how we can create a React project, right? So here again, we are going to create a React project to recap all those things, guys. Okay. Then also we will going to integrate the Tailwind CSS again. Got it, guys? And one more thing, everyone, please don't forget to fill the attendance form. Okay. During the class, I will give you the attendance form. Please don't forget to fill up. Huh? See guys, what is the command for creating a React app? Very basic command. The command is what? npm create white at the rate latest, because using white bundler na, I am going to create my React application. So the command will be what? npm create white at the rate latest. Using that command, I can create a with React project. Okay. Now that is not an important thing that we can only create a React project. We can create multiple projects like Angular project, P-React, Svelte, multiple project we can create. But here, just because we are learning about React, that's why we are going to create what project? React project, right? Got it? Understandable, guys? Okay, so after that, here you have to pass a folder name basically. So inside that folder, your entire application or entire project will be created. So here 02 app, because it's our day 2. That's why I'm just giving the project name what? 02 app. So hit the enter button. Now it will ask you some questions, right, guys? Questions about what framework you are going to use. So I have told now we can create multiple projects like Vue project, React, Lit. Svelte, Solid, Angular, multiple projects we can create using this white bundler. Got it, people? So here, basically, I'm going to create a React project. So I have to choose what framework? React. Got it, people? Now hit the enter button. Now it will ask what type of variant you are going to use. Like in JavaScript, multiple variants are there. Normal JavaScript is also there. Apart from that, TypeScript is also there, right? So guys, please let me know what variant should I choose here. JavaScript, right? So choose the JavaScript and see your project has been created. Means your React application has been created, but now you will not be able to start your application. Why? Because I am not inside my project folder. Okay. And apart from that, for starting this application, na, I have to install the npm first. If I do not install the npm, it will throw error. Got it? So first of all, cd02 app. Now some people will think like, sir, now I am inside the 02 app folder and here my entire React application is present. So if I run a command called npm run dev, now my entire application will be started. Right? Right, guys? Okay. So let's start. Okay. If I write a command npm run dev, now let me know whether this application will be started or not. Let me know, guys. See, it will not be started because it doesn't know what is a white. So for that, some configuration files are required. So we have to install the npm by writing the command called npm i. So here, after the completion of npm i command, here at the left side, guys, you can see a node modules folder will be generated. Got it? So inside that file, your entire configuration will be present. Now, if you want, you can start your application by run the command called what? npm run dev. Got it, people? Yes, you should install the npm. Otherwise, you will not be able to start your application. Right? Now here you can see, guys, my application has been started. So if I navigate through this link, see, guys, here is the logo, white React logo, right? Means I can say that my application has been started. See, let me share the screen with you guys. Okay, here is my entire screen. I think it is visible to all of you guys, right? See, guys, here you can see the application has been started. Right, people? Now, please let me know, guys, if you have any confusion or not till now. We have already created a React application using white bundler. After that, we have changed the directory and we have already go inside that uh, 02 app folder. Then we have just write a command npm i. Then uh, then just we have started the application and here is the live preview of that application, right? So any confusion, guys, let me know till now. Any confusion? No, right? It is very much easy to create a React application, right, people? Yes, yes, yes. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. So now here, guys, 50% we have already covered the revision, right? Means creating React application. It's the first part of the revision. So now let me stop the application. Now the second thing is, guys, here we are not going to use basic CSS. Like we are not going to create a .css file. After creating the .css file, we are not going to write any kind of CSS. That's why here we are going to use what type of CSS, guys? Please let me know what type of CSS we are going to use. Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, anyone? What type of CSS? Here we are going to use what type of CSS, guys? Tailwind CSS, right? So we have to install what? Tailwind CSS. That's why. Okay, confusion is there, sir. Okay, Anusha, please let me know what is the confusion. So for that, guys, just search for what? Tailwind CSS, right? Tailwind CSS. So here you will get the very first website of tailwindcss.com. Just click on that website. So here you can see the website. See here, get started button is there. Click on it. The first one you have to choose. What is the first one? Using white, right? So that is the configuration we have to use. So first of all, guys, it says that first of all, create a React project, right? So already we have created a React project. Now first step is already completed, guys. Okay. Why Tailwind? Because currently Tailwind is very much popular in the market. Okay. That's why I have choose what Tailwind CSS instead of any other CSS. Okay. Tailwind is popular right now. So first step has already been completed because we have already created an application. Okay. Second step, it says that you should install what Tailwind CSS and also add the Tailwind CSS / white. Got it, people? So just copy the command and go to the VS Code in the terminal, paste the command and hit the enter button. So the command will be executed. Okay, let me finish the execution, guys. First of all, it will not take too much time. See, the installation has been completed. Got it, people? So second step successfully completed, right? Any confusion till now? First step is what? Just create a React application. Second step is what? Install all the dependencies. What are the required for starting the application? Right, people? Okay. Second step is also completed. Third step is says that here a file will be there called what? white.config.ts. Right, people? A file will be there called what? white.config.ts. But here, if you open your VS Code now, here you can see the same file, but the extension will be different. Here, what is the extension? .js, the extension, right? But here in the documentation, what is the extension? TS. Just because when the documentation has been written now, the documentation is based on what? TypeScript. Don't worry, no confusion will be there. So here TypeScript is there now, but our file is same, but only the difference is what? .js. So no problem will be there. Inside this file, you should make some changes. Like what are the changes you have to make? First of all, here you can see the second line, right? And behind the line, some background color is there, right? Some light blue color. So just copy the line, guys, from here and go inside the wit.config.js file and paste it here. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, yesterday what class? Shayak, please let me know what class. I think AIML, na? Okay, now second step is what? Tailwind CSS. So simply I have to copy what? Tailwind CSS function and I should put it after the React. That's it. So successfully we have completed our third step, right? Very much easy. Now third step complete. Fourth step, it says that we have to import this Tailwind CSS inside our main CSS file, right? What is the main CSS file? If you open the src at the left side, here you will able to see that index.css is there, right? So that particular index.css file is nothing but your main CSS file. So remove everything and paste the line import Tailwind CSS. Got it, people? Till now, any confusion, guys? Till now, any confusion? Let me know. If you have any confusion or not, let me know. Okay. So fourth step is also completed. Now what it says? It says that start your build process, means run the command. What is the command? npm run dev. And if you want to make any changes, just write what? Tailwind CSS. So step is completed. So let me start the server first, guys. npm run dev. Okay. And here, guys, just because we are going to use what? Basic CSS now. So not basic CSS, Tailwind CSS. That's why, guys, here no need of this .css file. Just delete this .css file. Okay, means app.css, not index.css. Okay, people, understandable? So here is the recap. Whatever the things we have completed yesterday, that much we have already completed the revision. Guys, now tell me, sir, repeat step 3 again. Okay, no issue. See guys, what is the step 3? Tailwind CSS. Here is the website. Get started. See guys, the third step is, inside your project a file will be there called white.config.js. Here ts is there, but in your project js will be there. So you have to make some changes inside that file. Got it? Now what are the changes you have to make? Simple. First of all, this line you can see now, the second line, you should copy the second line and go inside your file, paste it here. See, I have already pasted here, right? Now again go back to the documentation and copy this function, means a Tailwind CSS function, right? Okay people. So after copying this Tailwind CSS, it is present inside the plugins array, right? So see here, a plugins array is there. Inside that array, React is present. Don't remove this React. Put a comma after the React and put the Tailwind CSS function. Got it people? Understandable guys? Yes, Pradeep, if you want to use Bootstrap, it is all up to you. No issue will be there, okay? It is totally all up to you. But just because in current industry, Tailwind is popular, that's why I'm using what? Tailwind CSS. Okay, people? रिएक्ट का ऑफर लेटर नहीं होता भाई, वो फ्रंट एंड का है, फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट का. Okay guys, okay, till now any confusion is there? What is the difference? The app.css is a base, is particular for that app.jsx file. Means whatever the css you will write inside the app.css, it will be reflected on app.jsx. But here if you make any changes inside the index.css file, it will directly affect the styling of that particular index.html page. That is the only difference. No other difference is there. App, this index.css will work on that particular index.html file. App.css will work on that particular app.jsx file. Got it people? And also one more important thing guys, if you are enjoying this video now and if you think you can learn something amazing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please share with your friends guys. Okay, now revision completed. Now let's make some changes into our main app.jsx file. Okay, okay, so first of all guys, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of component? If anyone asks, please tell me what is the meaning of component, then what you will tell? Meaning of what? Component. Anybody have any idea guys, what is the meaning of component? Anybody? Okay guys, we will talk about later about the internship offer letters. Okay, first of all focus on that class. Okay people. Okay guys, if anybody asks you about what is a component, then what will be your answer? Yes, absolutely correct, it is a function. Yes, very good Gauri, very good Varsha. Muhammad, it's also good, very good. Reusable code of function. Yes, it's a little tricky jargon, a small code. Okay, see, some people have told correctly, like Varsha, Gauri, Muhammad, like it's a function. Yes, Varsha, it's absolutely correct. And this function will return a HTML element. So here in a basic term I can say that component component is nothing but a function which will return what? HTML elements. And also we can write JavaScript in it. Got it people? So that is what our component. A component is like a function or a class that returns a part of the UI, usually JSX. It can have state except props. Okay. Yes. Good. Correct. Correct. So guys, if anyone asks like what is the meaning of component, so component is nothing but a function. The function will return what? HTML element. And inside that HTML now we can also write JavaScript. That's why the extension is what? JSX. Right? Means here inside that single file we can write the HTML also, we can write the JavaScript also. That's why it is called what? JSX. Okay. So here let me create a function. So function, what will be my function name, guys? See the file name. What is the file name? App. So I will keep it as it is, app. And for the component name now, guys, the first letter will be always in uppercase. Like app, if you write small app now, it will throw an error. Okay, that's why you have to write app, means A will be capital. And here you will return what? HTML element. So div is my HTML element. Here h2, like uh, hello react, hello react. And finally we have to export it defaultly, export a default app. That's it. So that is our a little component. Okay, that's a little component. If I open the browser and search for what, http localhost 5173, and see the output. Here is the output, hello react. All right guys, it's visible now, hello react. Okay, okay guys, let me zoom in more for you guys. Okay, I think now it is visible to all of you guys, right? See, here is the output, hello react. Till now any confusion? Let me know guys, till now any confusion? If you have any confusion till now, please let me know. Yes, visible, visible, right? Okay, any confusion guys till now? Any confusion? Let me know. Is there have any confusion? Guys, if you're enjoying this video now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please share with your friends, guys. Okay, okay, no confusion. Very good, guys. Very good, very good. See, now, see, guys, the text is very much small, right? Hello, React. Now, I just want to increase the font size of that text using what? Tailwind CSS, right? Using Tailwind CSS, I just want to increase the font size. But the question is, I don't know how to use the Tailwind CSS. What are the classes are there? I don't know, right? That is a big question. So how can I identify what class I have to use? So the easiest upay is search for what? Tailwind CSS. Okay, go inside the Tailwind CSS website. See here a search option is there, right? Now here what I want to do, I just want to increase the font size of that particular text, right people? So simply search for what? Font size, font size. And see, multiple classes are there. Okay, text, using text class I can increase the font size. So see, text XS, text SM, text base, text LG means large. So what is the value of text large? See here, 810 pixel. Text XL, so multiple classes are there. So here I can identify that using Tailwind CSS. I can write the CSS. So I don't know what class I have to use. So I have searched for what? Font size. So for updating the font size, what class I have to use? The text class. Okay, people, text class, right? So here simply what I will do, inside this h2 I will open a class name, means a attribute. Here text property I want to use. Now text I want to use what? uh 10, not 10. 8 Excel, 8 Excel. Okay. See, now the text size has been increased, right? Now it is properly visible to all of you guys, right? भाई ये मैजिक है भाई, मैजिक मोबाइल में VS कोड भाई, मैजिक. And also guys, please let me please teach me guys how to use a VS code in the mobile. Okay. So from the next time I will not use my laptop to teach you guys. I will use my mobile phone. Okay. See guys, the font size has been increased. Now people, I just want to change the background color of my screen because it's a white, so it is little bit difficult for our eyes to see the white portion, right? Yes people. So I want to change what background color. Okay, I want to change what background color. So background color. See guys, here I know I don't know what is the property for background color. So I will write background what color. What is the color? Okay, background color. See, so for applying the background color, okay, we have what class? BG class. Now after the BG, what color I want to use, I can write that color. Also the shade is present like 50, 100, 200, 300. Multiple shades are there, right? Okay people. So here what I will do, first of all, I will add some classes like class name, height, screen, width, also screen. Okay. Now also I will use what BG, because using BG I can add what background color. So I want to use what color? Slate of 500. Now see, the background color has been changed into slate. Now I just want to make the text color as a white, right people? I want to change the text color, means I want to make the text color as a white. So I don't know what CSS I have to use people, right? So again I will search what text color or normal color. Okay. So for okay, text color, text color. See, for applying the color on the text, we have what property? Text property. So using text property, I can change the text color. Multiple shades are there like text red, text blue, text green. Whatever class you want to use, you can check it from here, right? Click on the show more. See, multiple classes are there. So here I will write what text white color, text shadow white. Now see, if I reload it, okay, not here, normal text, text white. Now see guys, hello react now is in white color. Okay people, this hello react now is in white color. Now let me know, till now any confusion guys? Till now any confusion? Are you people are understanding or not how to use the Tailwind CSS? Tailwind CSS is very much easy, guys. If you know the basic property, na, like I want to change the font size, but I don't know what will be the class for the font size. So just come here and search for what font size. Hit the enter. Now see, for changing the font size, I have also what text property. Now here text property small, text base. Okay. Now I want to change what font weight. So search for what font weight. See, font light, font normal, font medium, multiple classes are there, guys. Okay. So don't worry about it. If you know the basic CSS now, just search for it, you will get the classes. Okay. Now similarly, guys, similarly, attendance सर जी, attendance तो बाद में मिलेगा भाई, कुछ सीख लो पहले, then I will provide you the attendance link. Okay. Are you guys enjoying or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Are you guys enjoying or not? People have any doubt, have any confusion? Please let me know. Then I will also share you some important classes in Tailwind CSS. Some very important classes. like multiple classes there na, like a display flex, um, align item center, justify content center, flex direction is also there. Now I want to provide a gap between two boxes, right? So multiple css are there na. See guys, so we know some css properties, like suppose I want to change the display property, what, flex. Now align items is also there, center. Suppose align item center I want to use, justify content center I want to use. Now I also want to provide flex direction. Flex direction, what, column. Also I want to provide what, column gap, sorry, row gap. Some value will be there like 10 pixel or 20 pixel. Also column gap 10 pixel. So let me know guys, these are these are some basic flexbox properties now. Yes or no guys, let me know. These are some what, flexbox properties. Am I right or wrong guys, let me know. So if I want to use those css in by using Tailwind, so what will be the class name? Okay, what will be the class name, right? Okay, so first property is what, display flex, but I don't know how to apply the display properties. Okay, so very first step is what, go to the website of Tailwind CSS and write what, display properties, display. See here guys, in display na, multiple classes are there, means see, display inline, display block, display inline block, display flex is also there. So for making our display flexible, we have what class, flex, right? So directly I will go inside here and I will write what class, flex. Okay people, now here guys, second property is what, align item center. So again I will search what, align items. Okay, now see, if I want to use any kind of classes like align item center, so see here align item center is present in the basic css styling. But if I want to use class, so for that items center is present, right people? So here guys, see, simple, I will write what, items center. Similarly, if you search for justify and justify content center, so it will show you justify what, center, right? Now I want to apply flex direction. So how to provide flex direction? For that, here a class is there called flex column or flex column reverse. We have what, flex row reverse. What are the things you want to use? You can easily use it. Okay, people. Now, if you want to provide some gap, so here you can use what, gap in x direction. X direction means here in this direction. Suppose, okay, so so we all know that guys, this is called what, our okay, so let me first of all guys, just give me a second, delete. Okay, so it's my what, x axis and it's my what, y axis. So x axis means I want to provide some gap between this x axis. Now gap in y direction means I want to provide some gap in the y direction. Y direction means between the two rows. Okay, suppose it's my first row, it's my second row. So here if I want to provide some gap, on that time I want to use what, gap in x direction, sorry, gap in what direction, y direction. Suppose I want to provide some gap between two column, then gap in x direction, right people? Understandable now everyone? So here if I open app, see, hello react now present in the center. Now let me create some boxes guys. Okay, so here it's my div, let me create four boxes. Okay, Now for each and every boxes I want to assign some height and width. So class name, guys, if you want to add some height now, just write h. Okay, then values will be there. Okay, see, every values is there, right? So 10. For width also I will use what, 10. Now for the background color, what color I want to use? I want to use what, yellow, 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 dirty fellow, right? So yellow 500. Now if I check the website, see, multiple boxes are there, but I should increase their height, right? So here 40. Okay, width also 40. Now see, multiple boxes has been created, guys, right? Understandable na, guys? See, multiple boxes has been created. Now see, I want to provide some gap, means column gap. So here it will be my first box, second box, third box, fourth box. So between two boxes I want to provide some gap, means column wise I will provide some gap. So for providing the gap in between columns, we have what property, gap in x direction. So see here, guys, if I provide gap in x direction 10 pixel, okay, not 10 pixel, 10. Okay, guys, if you want to provide the space manually now, like pixel, just put a bracket here. Just manually you can write how much unit you want to provide. See, now 10 pixel of gaps has been provided here, right? Okay, people, 10 pixel of gap. Suppose I want to increase the gap, suppose 20 pixel. Now see, 20 pixel of gap has been provided. Suppose I want to provide 50 pixel of gap. See the difference, 50 pixel of gap has been provided, right, people? Now let me know, guys, are you people are understanding or not? Tailwind CSS. In upcoming classes, in every classes, guys, we are going to use what, Tailwind CSS, so that you will be familiar with it very much. Okay, people. Now I will discuss about one or two classes, means Tailwind CSS classes again. After that, we will create multiple component. We will render them, and also we will try to use the concept of props. Okay, sir, which is the extension? Yes, it's a very good question. See, guys, there is a extension called Tailwind CSS Intelligence. Okay, see, Tailwind CSS Intelligence. See the first one, Tailwind CSS Intelligence. Just install this extension so that whenever you are going to write any Tailwind CSS na inside the class name, you will get the suggestions. Okay, people. Okay, okay, understandable, right, everyone? Can you choose any random color? Yes, if you want, you can choose. And if you want, we can also create a very small project about how to change the background color. Suppose here four boxes are there now. Suppose it's my yellow color, it's my green color. Okay, let me change. See, it's my green, it's my pink. Okay, it's a suppose uh, magenta is there. No, not magenta. Suppose blue. Okay, blue is there. So see, here multiple colors are present: yellow, green, pink, blue. If I click on that yellow na, so background color will be converted into yellow. If I click on that green, background color will be converted into green. Similarly for the two another boxes, we can also make it. Props means, don't worry, don't worry. After a few minutes, I will explain about props. Okay, guys. Maza aa raha hai na, guys? Let me know. Okay, see, guys. Now I just want to make these boxes rounded. Means here you can see the sharp edges, right? Means in the border you can see the sharp edges. Now I don't want any sharp edges. I want to make it like carve I want to make. Okay. So for carve, we have a property in CSS called what? Border radius, right, people? Yes, if you want, you can also customize. No issue will be there. See, why you should use the Tailwind CSS? Because for applying some style on your web page, na, you can use the Tailwind CSS also. Instead of using normal CSS, you should use the Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap or Tailwind or your Chakra CSS, anything. You can use it. Now I want to make the border carve. Okay, so for that, ऑफर लेटर कब तक मिलेगा? अरे भाई कुछ सीख लो पहले, राइट? इतना अच्छा एक लेसन चल रहा है यहाँ पर, पहले सीख लो यार. तुम्हें ऑफर लेटर की पड़ी है, पहले सीख लो. Okay, so I want to apply what property, means what class I want to use? Border radius. So I don't know what class I have to, so for that, border radius. See, we have what class? Rounded class. So using the rounded class, I can make my sharp edges into curve. Got it? I can convert my sharp edges into a curve edges or a rounded edges. So here I will write what? See guys, here I have to write what? Rounded. Now how much I want to round? LG means large. Now see now guys, you can see these boxes, the sharp edges now has been converted into round edges, right? Okay people, now this sharp edges has been converted into what? Round edges. Understandable guys? If you want to make this rounded more, so here just increase the value. Like Excel you can use. See, if you want, if you want to use more units, means more, if you want to more make it flex, more make it rounded, so here you can use 5XL also. See, let me refresh. Okay, 5XL has not supported here. 2XL, yes, 2XL supported. See guys, see that changes. Understandable everyone? So that's all about today's Tailwind. Today we are not going to discuss about Tailwind. Okay, in upcoming class we will again discuss about Tailwind. Sir, how to do animation in Tailwind CSS? In normal CSS, what are the properties are there, like transition, transform? Okay, similar things we can use it here. Using those properties, you can create animations. Okay, how are you accessing 4 tags at a time? Means, okay. See, guys, nothing complex is there, right? Suppose I want to write at the same time. I want to write multiple classes at the same time. So just click on any of the line. Also press the Alt button. Again, whatever the line, what in which line you want to write something, just again click on those line after pressing the Alt button. So you can write multiple lines at a time. राधिका सर अटेंडेंस, अरे अभी बाकी है थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा एक और दो कंपोनेंट बनाएंगे, राइट? उसके बाद अटेंडेंस होगा. ठीक है ना गाइस? अटेंडेंस लिंक हाँ थोड़ी देर बाद दे दूंगा भाई, जस्ट वेट. Okay, see guys, now I want to create what? Multiple component. So for creating multiple component, we should follow some structures. Okay, what structure? Very simple. Inside this src na, create a new folder and give it a name called components. See, now inside this component, what are the components you want to create? Just create. Like I want to create what component? Login component, login.jsx. Okay, now here, if you have already installed the React extension, na, so a command will be there called rfce, React Functional Export Component. So it will give you a boilerplate for the React. Okay. Okay, people. Now here in this login, I want to create some forms. Okay, not forms, like an input field will be there. So it's my input field. So here type will be what? Email. Also I want to write what? Placeholder, like enter your email. Apart from that, also I want to take what? Password, right? For login. So here type will be what? Password. Placeholder, enter your password. After that, also I want to submit that form, or I want to submit the response. For that, a button will be there, right? It's my button. So here the type will be what? Submit. And here login. Right, people? See guys, I have created a login component, right? Easily. I inside the src I have created a folder called what? Components. Inside that folder I have created what? A jsx file called login.jsx. So it's my login component. Inside that login component, simply I have created two input field and also a button. From this two input field, I want to send some data to the client or to the server. Okay. Now if I press on the button, so the response will be transferred, right? And you all know the simple htmls, right? Right, people? Now how to render this login component? Okay, if you go to the browser now, see, login component is not visible here, right, people? So for that, you should go inside the app.jsx, and I will comment it, comment them. And here I just want to use what component? Login component. So login component will be treated as what? An HTML tag. Okay. See guys, here I have just used the login, and I have imported it from where? From inside the components, a login will be there. So from that login, import this login component. And I have just rendered this login component in my app.jsx. Now if I go here, you can see three fields are there, like enter your email, enter your password, and login. But these fields are not looking very good. So some style I should provide here, right? So here I should write some styles like class name, bg white, text black, padding in x direction. Means padding in x direction means, guys, padding left and padding right. If you use px, means padding x, means padding in left direction and also in the right direction. Okay. Now here I should pass 5 pixel, and padding in y direction means top bottom, also 5 pixel. Now see the changes. Okay. Okay. Now guys, also I want to add some class on it. So class, okay, just give me a second, let me plug in. Okay, class bg white, text black. See guys, bg white means background colored white, text black means color black. Okay, people, color black. Now also I want to provide some padding in x direction, 3, padding in y direction 2. Now see the changes. Now I want to make those things in a column wise. I want to place those things column wise, not row wise. Okay. Okay, sorry, row wise, not column wise. My mistake, guys. So for that, the easiest way is to copy all those things, create a div. Okay, copy those things. Now here, create a div. Inside the div, put those things together. Now the easiest upay is use the flexbox properties. Okay. Okay, people. Flexbox properties like display flex, align items center, and also justify content center. And also the flex direction, I want to use column, flex column. Now see the changes. See, everything is present row wise, right? Now if I want to provide some gap in y direction like 5, now see the changes. See, it's my a small login page, I can say that, right people? Rocky, I have not teach in Hindi. Continuously I'm speaking in English and English and English, right? So that being a CSE student, being a BCA, being a BSc, being a BCA, MCA student, you should know about English, because in industry you all guys will work, right? So you should use the English language. See guys, so here you can say, see that I have created a component called login, right people? And I have also displayed that component inside my app, right guys? And see the output. Okay people, see, suppose I want to create another component. Another component means I want to create another component called what? Home page. So home.jsx. Okay people, RFCE. Simple, I want to return what? A text called welcome to the home page. Okay, welcome to the home page. Copy H2. I should put it here. I will add some CSS on it, like margin in X direction, auto, text, center. Okay people, so see, I have also created another component called what? Home, right? Okay people, now I want to display that component. So I will go inside app.jsx, I will comment it out, and here again I will display what component? Home component. See guys, see, welcome to the home page. See the output, right people? Okay, see guys, it is the app.jsx. See, at the top of that app.jsx, I have imported what file? The login component I have imported. Now here, as an HTML tag, auto closing tag, I have used what? Home. Okay. Are you people understanding or not, guys? Please let me know. Understandable, na? Everyone? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt till now? Please let me know. Any doubt? Any confusion, guys? Please tell me. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what concept, guys. Let me know. Anybody? We have already see how to use the Tailwind CSS, right? After that, we have also add some styles. Okay, we have also create two component, right people? We have also understood how to render those components from the app.jsx. Hello sir, enough. See people, if you don't want to stay, you can leave. Okay, no issue, I don't have any problem. Okay, okay, don't worry, I will if you want I can remove you from here, guys. Okay, what is your name? Be strong, huh? So stay strong, huh? If you want I can remove you from this video if you want. Okay guys, okay, okay, I think you have understood all those things, right? Now see, suppose it's my home page, right? Now from this app I want to send some data to my home. Okay, um, okay people, from this home I want to send some data to my home page. So here in this home page some data has been present, right, inside the h2. So I want to make those data dynamic, like whatever the data I will send from app.jsx, it will be displayed as it is here. So for that, here it's a home, right? It's a home component. This home component is a present inside which component, guys? Let me know. App component, right? Okay, people. This home component is present inside which component? App component. Yes, people. So now from here, I can send some data. Like you can write attribute now. So here class name is nothing but an attribute. Similarly, I want to send what? Data. Now what is the data? Data is what? Welcome everyone. Now data is what, guys? Welcome everyone. Now here in this home.jsx, in this home.jsx, what is the data has been displayed? Welcome to the home page. Now if you go to the web page and if you reload the page, see same data is present, but I can say that I have sent some data, right? See, here is the data, I have sent it, but here I have not grabbed the data and I have not used the data yet. So how to grab this data? Simple, guys. Here you can see this home component, right? It's a home function. So inside this parenthesis, we have to use a concept called destructuring. Okay, we have to use a concept called what? Destructuring. So how to destructure? Just up put a pair of curly braces. Okay, inside the curly braces you should write the name as it is. Like what is the attribute name? So attribute name is here what? Data, right, guys? See, the data is my attribute name. So here simply I will write the data as it is. Okay, people. Now inside this data attribute, this text is present. Hello everyone, right? So I should render this data here. So I will remove it from here. Now see, this data is nothing but a variable right now. So how to access a variable? Using a pair of parentheses. Sorry, using a pair of curly braces. Using a curly braces, you can add or you can inject variables. So what variable I want to inject? That this data. So from this app.jsx, I have sent some data. I have received that data inside the home, and simply I have rendered that data. Now if I go to my browser, see, welcome everyone message has been displayed here. Right, people? Welcome everyone. Suppose if I change some data, like welcome to the React class. Now see, the data has already been changed into welcome to the React class. Okay, suppose I want to change like React Tailwind CSS. See, React Tailwind CSS. Understandable, guys? Any doubt till now? Please let me know about props. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Any confusion? Let me know, guys. Let me know till now. Are you people understanding or not? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Any confusion? Please let me know. So that's all about props, guys. Very easy. React is very easy, guys. Okay. If you revise this video, na, means after this live classes, if you watch this video again, na, you will never forget everything. Okay, what is the comment? How can you change a home page to login? See, it's easy now. Just I have just comment it out. I've just comment out this login component, and instead of displaying this login, I have just display the home component. Simple. Repeat once again if you can. Okay, no issue, no issue. See, guys, inside this app component, I have rendered another component called what? Home component, right? Now I don't want to display the data in a rigid manner. Rigid manner means inside this home I have to type the data manually. I don't want that thing. That shitty thing I don't want. So here instead of doing that thing, I can simply pass some data from here. Means from this app.jsx component, directly I can pass some data to my home component. So how to pass the data? Simply how you can add some attribute. using some attribute name, you can add some attributes. Similarly, here data is my what? Attribute name, right, people? Now, after that, what data I want to send? So, inside this quotations, I want to send some data. So, here will be my data. Now, what is my data name? It's my data name, right? So, I have to go inside the home.jsx. Inside this parenthesis, I have to open what? Curly braces. Inside this curly braces, I have to write the attribute name as it is, means data, right? Simply, here data is there. And inside the braces, I should render this data as it is. So whatever data I will send from the app.jsx, it will be displayed as it is here. Okay. अरे अभी तो बोला ना. Right now I have told na, just here you can see na, I have just commented out this login, right? I have just commented out this login, right? And here see the home page. Sir, what is callback? Explain. See, callback means what? Suppose you have a function, okay? And inside that function, as a parameter, you are passing in another function. That is called what? Callback. Means suppose, let me show you. See, visible na? Suppose I have a function, okay, called greet. So it's my greeting. It's an arrow function, simple. Inside this arrow function, I just want to console log what? Console.log hello everyone. See, so if I call this greet function, what a message will be displayed? Hello everyone. Now if I create another function called what? Const another func, means another function. Here as an argument, if I pass greet, okay, and if I simply call that greet function here, so it is called what? Callback. Means inside a function, if I pass another function as an argument, so it will be called as what? What it is called as? Let me know. Callback, right? Another func. Okay. So it is called what? Callback. Means inside a function, if I pass another function as a callback, as an argument, yes, that is callback. Guys, let me know till now whatever things we have completed right now. Please let me know if you have any doubt or not. Whatever the things we have performed, please let me know. Guys, once again, please let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know. What is higher order function? Don't worry. In upcoming JavaScript classes, I will explain all those things one by one. Now, right now, focus on the React, guys. Okay. Okay. For you people, I should add some assignment, right? So let me create a txt file, assignments.txt. So here, first of all, it's my what? Day two. So in the description, I will provide the link, Google Form link. You should complete the task and submit on that Google Form. Otherwise, your attendance will not be marked. You should fill the attendance, but after that, also you should submit your assignments. Otherwise, I will not be able to understand whether you guys are learning or not. Okay. So the task is you should create a React project, add Tailwind CSS, then create four different components. Also add styles to them using Tailwind, and send data from one to another component using props concept. That's it, guys. That is the homework. Understandable, guys? So it will be your what homework, right, people? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt till now? Let me know till now. Any doubt, guys? If you are enjoying this video, now please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Okay, and please also share with your friends. When to submit? Okay, it's a good question. Okay, let me create a Google form for you guys. Okay. Okay. So okay. First of all, just give me a second. Stop sharing. Okay. I think my VS Code is visible to all of you guys right now. Okay. Guys, VS Code visible na? And where this project is submit. Okay, don't worry guys. Just give me just 1 minute. Let me create a Google form for all of you guys. Okay. Just give me a second. After this form creation, I will provide you the link. Okay. Don't worry. So here React Tailwind day 2 assignment. Okay, guys, one more important thing, guys. After completion of this assignment, you should you should add this code file into your GitHub repo, and you should submit the GitHub repo link. If you provide any invalid GitHub repo link, then your attendance will be removed. Okay, and if you try to provide any duplicate email, your original email will be captured automatically. Okay, please try to understand all those things. Okay, so here guys, in the form description everything will be written, and also a small note point I will mention, like you should add your assignment into your GitHub repo and upload the repo link. Okay, understandable na guys, how to how to complete and submit the task, right? And here in this field I should place like what is your full name. It's a mandatory, guys. Please don't fill up, means don't make any mistake. Okay, when you guys are fill up any form now, please put your details accurately, like your email ID should be in lowercase, right? Email. Okay, email is also there. Contact number, and after that GitHub repo link. GitHub repo link. That's it. Let me check it once. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Guys, just give me a minute. If you don't have any GitHub repo or GitHub account, upload it into the Google Drive. Okay, upload it into the Google Drive and then submit. Okay. Okay, guys, just give me a second. Let me check it once again. Response is verified always. Only one response will be taken. Okay, publish the form. Let me copy the URL. Copied. Okay, here in the details. Uh, Day 2 assignment submission. Okay, guys, please check the video description. Okay, please check the video description. Deadline, um, within 1 day. Try to complete this task within tomorrow. Okay, guys, please check the video description. I have already provided the link. Now it's a time for taking the attendance, right, everyone? So just give me a second to share the attendance link with all of you guys. Okay, let me publish it. Okay, copied, and here app link to provide karo sir. What app link? Guys, please fill up your attendance quickly. Okay, guys, also I am making this message as a pinned message. Okay, so you should fill up your attendance quickly. Link of video not provided. What link of video? Nothing in video description. Let me check. Don't worry, guys, it will be updated. Okay, I have already added. Guys, the link is there in your description. Okay, please check it. I did not understand the assignment, guys. See here in front of your display, assignment is there, right? You should create a React project and also add Tailwind CSS. Then you should create multiple component. Now also you should add some styles to that component using what? Tailwind CSS, and you should send some data from one component to another component. That's it. That is the task. Yes, you should refresh the tab. Yes, Sarojini. After that, you should cut the video and you should reopen the video so it will display in front of you. Guys, now if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, I'm here to resolve all of your doubts. Please let me know one by one. Anish, in the video description, na, a link will be provided. A link will has been given. Okay. Rajat, not have a good day. Have a good night. It's a night, right? We will get certificate. Yes, definitely you will get certificate. You should attend every classes. You should learn something. You should fill up your attendance. You should complete the task. After that, you will get the certificate. Time for the assignment. You have only 1 day. Okay. Uh, within before tomorrow 12 a.m. Okay. You should complete. Guys, any other question? Please let me know. If you have not fill up the attendance, please fill up. डिस्क्रिप्शन में तो एक ही लिंक है ना भाई. See, only one link is there in the description, like a day 2 assignment submission link. Guys, also one more important thing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. How to share the data from one component to another component? Mohammed, it's a very good question. You should rewatch the video from the beginning. You will get to know how to do it. Where is the assignment? Okay, if you navigate through the link now, whatever link I have provided in the video description, if you open that form, so in the form description the task is mentioned. Okay, after completing at assignment, then you will give attendance. See, you have already provided the attendance, but you should also complete the task. And if you're not going to complete the task, then I will remove one attendance from you. Okay, guys, if you have any query regarding internship, na, you should directly mail us, okay, along with your mobile number, full name, and also the email, okay. So here is the mail, uh, dot in along with full name, mobile number, and also email, okay. See, guys, I have shared uh, a mail ID, okay. I have shared a mail ID, okay. So just copy that particular mail ID, and if you have not received your offer letter or any certificate, just mail us. We will deliver you as soon as possible. I think, Shubhajit, you have applied for the backend development. That's why you have received the backend development offer letter. Yes, within tomorrow you should submit it. Okay. If you click on the file now, if you click on that link, so in that link you will get to know what is the assignment. Yes, Sarojini, within tomorrow. Within tomorrow you should submit. Sir, where is the description in this live on class? See, it's a video now, so this video's description, a link will be there, okay. See, Prasad IAS, you should upload your task into your Google Drive or any drive, and you should share that link. Okay, later I will also discuss how to use a GitHub. Don't worry. What submission extended the assignment submission date? अरे यार, बहुत ही छोटा है ना, छोटा प्रोजेक्ट है ये, एकदम छोटा. You just have to create a small project, right? And after that add some CSS, create some component. It's a very basic task. Okay, just mail on that services. Just mail it. Okay. If you have not received the offer letter, just mail it here. So as soon as possible, your offer letter will be delivered. Okay. Just mail it here. No, Sri. Tomorrow is the deadline. You should complete all the tasks within tomorrow. Mark as default. How to mark as default? Means mark as pin. Class over. Yes, you can say that the class is over. Any further question, guys? Please let me know if you have any further question. Okay, guys, you have 2 days. Okay, not tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, you should submit all those tasks. Okay, day after tomorrow. Today is what date? 4th, right? So within 6th, you should submit. If the link is not visible, then cut the video and reopen the video and check the description. Okay, whatever the issues are there regarding the offer letter, you should send some mail to that mail ID along with your full name, domain, mobile number, and also your email. What is the assignment? Please check the video's description so you will get to know what will be the assignment. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining today's class, guys. I think you have understood all those topics, right, people? And tomorrow your Python class may be there. Okay, Python class, based on fundamental of Python, and after that backend will be there. Then AIML will be there. And after completion of the AIML, the data science will be conducted. Okay, people. And also C programming will be conducted soon. Day after tomorrow, you should submit your task. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining into this session, everyone. And a very, very good night to all of you guys. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Till now, any doubt? Please let me know. If you have not submit your attendance, please try to submit as soon as possible, guys. Okay. And don't worry, guys. You will also enjoy the backend class. I will make sure that you should enjoy. And whatever the things I will teach you na, in backend, it will be more than sufficient for creating any project apart from the socket, WebSocket. Okay. In this backend class, I'm not going to teach about the sockets and WebSocket also, but I will teach you how the REST framework will work. You will be capable that much that you can create any ERP system like enterprise resource planning, any other things. Okay. I will teach you on that level. Don't worry. And also, I think you have get to know that how much good content you will get from this channel, right? Why not sockets? See, sockets is another concept. Okay. So in this backend na, if I mix the socket concept also na, it will make it a little much difficult for you guys. See, Sri, into the video's description you will get the assignment link. If you have not get it, just cut the video and reopen it, so it will be updated. Okay, people, don't worry, every class will be conducted in a good manner, and you will get a very good knowledge from all those classes. Sir, where is the attendance link? The attendance link has been pinned, guys. In the comment description, attendance link has been pinned. So if you click on that message, you will get the attendance link form, attendance forms link. Tamam. Kötü olsa ne? হবে না? Attendance sheet, sir. Okay. See, guys, I am also sharing the attendance link with all of you guys. Don't worry. If you have not filled up your attendance, please quickly fill up. If you have already missed out the Google form link, please fill up your attendance as soon as possible, guys. Guys, प्लीज सच्ची बोलना यार, अच्छा लग रहा है ना ये सब क्लासेस? लाइक फ्रंट एंड हो या बैक एंड हो या AIML हो या पाइथन हो, मजा आ रहा है ना गाइस क्लासेस करने में? सी देखो यार, एक भी तो पैसा खर्च करने के लिए नहीं, खर्च नहीं करना पड़ रहा है ना तुम्हें। बस आओ, वीडियोस देखो, कुछ सीखो, असाइनमेंट करो, प्रोग्रामिंग करो, बस खत्म। सर्टिफिकेट लो, कुछ सीखो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, राइट? Okay, for any query regarding the offer letters, you should mail in this mail ID. Okay, along with your full name, email ID, mobile number, and what domain you have applied for. Okay, people. And only one humble request for all of you guys, because just because all this content are free now, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because it really gives us motivation for all those classes, because we have to put our energy to those classes, right? Python ka next class, I think tomorrow your next Python class will be there. Yes, फ्री का ज्ञान जहाँ मिले ले लेना चाहिए. Yes, absolutely correct. You should grab all those things, whatever the things you will get at free of cost, you should take all those things. Okay, guys, and one more important thing, guys. The next Sunday na, means this upcoming Sunday, I'm also planning about some chit chat, like in afternoon, like 2 or 3, or around 5 p.m. Me and Arno will conduct a live session, okay? And all on that live session, okay, we will discuss about study things. We will discuss about learning new things, okay? Also, we will do some gupshup with you. And if you guys want to join in our live stream, now, like you can see my logo, you can see Arnob's logo. So if you want to join, we will also display your logo so everyone can see that thing. If you want also those things, we can also conduct. Just let me know if you want those things or not. So sometimes for fun, we can also conduct those things. So we will get to know what topics you want. Yes, Q&A sessions. Yes, absolutely, absolutely, we can do that things. Rocky, don't worry. We will also create some projects. No issue. Don't worry. Believe on us. Okay. सर आपका कितना लैंग्वेज आता है? मेरे को 3 आता है भाई। जावास्क्रिप्ट, पाइथन एंड जावा। That means Google Meet, not Google Meet. Guys, in YouTube, it will be live. Okay. That will be in live Google Meet. So not Google Meet, sorry, my bad. It will be in live in YouTube, okay? Everyone can see that thing. Okay, guys, okay. I think the class should be end right now, okay? So I have already taken too much time of yours. Right, people? So thank you for joining into this class, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed all those things, right? This contents you have enjoyed. Please complete the assignment. The assignment link has already been provided in the video's description. Okay. So thank you, everyone, once again. Oh, he talked about speaking language. So I know Bengali, English, and Hindi. That's it. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining into this session. Have a good night, everyone. I'm Rahul Ghosh, currently signing off. Thank you, guys, and very good night to all of you.